All right, so we're out here at my sister's. We're gonna check on the bees because we haven't checked on them. I don't know. Look how tall the grass was. That was wrapped around the beehives. I got Caleb. He's gonna take the lid off this yellow one because oh, there's still bees in it. Be careful. I was afraid there weren't any bees there, but looks like there is.
Is your thing on?
My earpiece? No. Be careful. I'm not dressed, so I got Caleb's getting in the hive. Hey, be careful. Make sure you're looking for a queen on that. That's a, turn it over. I think that was a queen cell that they were starting to make. Yeah, but look how, man, it's freaking windy out here. It's starting to sprinkle too, so. I think it's too windy for them to fly. I don't think you got to worry about it. I think the wind's gonna.
I can't really.
Let me come over. Yeah, but I don't. Oh, they're filling that out. They got that filled out. Or they're trying to fill it out right now. I am taking one hell of a chance. There's not a lot of bees in this hive, though. I don't know, I think today might be the wrong day to be checking on them. Go ahead and, yeah, put that back in and then slide it close to that next one. Yeah. You didn't see the queen, right? And I didn't see any freaking eggs. So, go ahead and let's put that back on. I was just afraid there weren't any bees in there. I don't know if they could get in or out because the grass was up so high. I think it's too windy to be really checking on them, so we're just going to button them back up. We'll open up these other two and just kind of take a gander and see what's in there. Then I got to finish weed eating around here. Going to that one. Oh yeah, wow, look at all the bees in that hive. Oh my God, look at all this. We might have messed up. They built that right together, Caleb. That might have been a mess up.
Yeah, and they're filling it up with honey, so that's going to be really heavy.
It doesn't look like they did anything on these hives over here. Hey, I don't want to open up my mouth too soon, but we've had the lid off these and I ain't got stung yet and I ain't got no stuff on. But if you look, see how they built these together? That's not good. Now we can't really mess with that. We got to leave it alone. And we'll have to wait till later this year and take that out and redo it. Because they got it built together.
Right here too.
Yeah. It's all built together, so now we can't really screw around.
What happens when we don't check on it?
See, and it's all full of honey right there. So they're trying to fly out of there and get me, but the wind's too strong. All right, Caleb, go ahead and put the lid on that one. All right, so I probably shouldn't have gave them that much room in that hive because now they built them together. We're going to check on this one. So hopefully this has got a lot of bees in it now too.
There's a bunch of ants up in here.
What is that? Oh, those are dead bees. Okay, so this has got
A bunch of ants on them.
this has got some bees in it. We got another frame to put in here so they don't do the same thing that they did in that other hive.
We can take one out of the other hive.
No, I don't want to take one out of the other hive. I just want to put one in here. Caleb's trying to clean it up. For some reason, this one's got ants in it. Oh, careful. But they're building comb up on the top of them. That's why Caleb had such a hard time getting the lid off. Is you? Whoa, 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 whoa! Knock it off. Chill out, girls. Leave me alone. I'm not hurting you. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna go to the truck. No, I'm kidding. No.
They're all working over here, so why don't we just move one of these frames right here?
Just slide them over. Yeah, just slide them there.
Then we can go back and get another frame.
Yeah, well, just leave it. Go ahead and put the lid back on. We won't mess with them. I need to do something.
They're putting honey up in the lid too.
Well, that's because they got this right here. What we need to do is discourage that by not trying to knock them down. But I don't really want to mess around because I don't know where the queen's at. We need to come out and find that queen. So, all right, this yellow hive isn't doing so hot, but I'm wondering if that was because they were closed up. Now we got a couple of bees trying to come out of there, but I think it's too windy. The wind is just whipping through here really bad. So, we're going to close this up for now. We're going to finish weed eating around, and I'm just going to get it so it's not encroaching on the beehives a little bit more. And then we're going to call it a day, and then we'll have to come out and check them. I mean, if I had to guess, the wind's gusting probably 30, 35 miles an hour right now. I mean, it's not even gusting. It's pretty sustainable. You know, I don't know. See the trees, that's how much they're moving. But it's definitely blowing Caleb's head off. So, I'm going to let you guys go. This one will get posted up. Then I'm going to have another one, after action report, that I'll probably put before this one, because I want to tell you guys about something that me and Caleb and my brother-in-law are going to do together that I think you guys might get a kick out of. So, other than that, I'm going to... You want to say bye, Caleb?
No, I'm good.
Come on, say bye. What are you being shy about? Just say, all you gotta do is say bye. Say bye. No, turn around and look at. He shaved his face and he looks ridiculous. Come on, turn around. I just told him why you don't want to. Stop being a little girl. You're a little girl. Knock it off, knucklehead. All right. The little girl doesn't want to say bye. So, I'll say it for you. From me and Caleb here at Angry Bees Honey, we'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.